Today, we're showcasing some of the key features and capabilities with integrations in Dotted. So, Dotted can easily sync to your favorite project management tools with the integrations feature. You can click on Add Your First Integration in the middle here, or you can click on Add New here on the left panel, and then over to Integration, and you'll be taken to the full list. Dotted has one-click support for Asana, GitHub, Jira, Linear, Microsoft Teams, Monday.com, Notion, Slack, and we're adding more all the time. For this demo, I'm going to go ahead and click on Jira here, and then it will take me to the Jira configuration menu. I'm going to copy and paste my URL for Jira, and since I'm already logged into my browser, it is going to authenticate. So now that we're connected to Jira, we want to use the information in Jira to create a document in Dotted. So I'm going to prompt Dotted, copy and paste the prompt, create a document showcasing the status of all tasks in Jira. And to let Dotted know that I want to use the Jira integration, I'm going to use the @ sign and then click here on Jira. And then with the label Project Alpha, and let it work. So it's just finished processing. It's created a document that summarizes the current status of all 9 issues tagged with the Project Alpha label. We have the ones in progress up top, testing, planned, and then the ones that are finished at the bottom. There is a note. Dotted is letting me know that none of these items have due dates, and that's something that I should add if I want this Jira project to be more fleshed out. This is a fast example of the kinds of documents that you can have Dotted create once it's connected with your integration.